What if your next car didn't run on petrol or even electricity, but something stranger, cleaner, and potentially game-changing? In the next 5 minutes, we're breaking down the future fuels that could power every car on the road, and this could change everything you know about driving. Did you know scientists are creating fuel from air, water, and sunshine that could be carbon neutral? Electric vs. new fuels. Most people today think the future is electric cars, and yes, EVs are growing fast. But what about cars that still use liquid fuel without polluting? That's where future fuels like hydrogen, biofuels, methanol, and synthetic e-fuels come in. Hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cells generate electricity inside the car, and the only output is water vapor, zero CO emissions. Hydrogen tech is already real, but challenges like storage, cost, and station build-outs still exist. Hydrogen boils at -253 degrees Celsius and needs high-pressure tanks. That's why you don't see it everywhere. Yet, biofuels and methanol. Biofuels like ethanol and biodiesel are made from plants, waste, and crops, some even from sugarcane or algae. They can often run in regular petrol engines with few changes. Methanol, another liquid fuel, can be made from CO and hydrogen, and it can be a practical, existing liquid fuel with high octane. Fast fact: some racing cars already use methanol because of its performance traits. Synthetic e-fuels, the most buzzworthy future fuel? E-fuels, liquid fuels made from CO plus green hydrogen plus renewable energy, and designed to be carbon neutral. These fuels can drop into existing cars, meaning no new cars needed. Big names from Porsche to Saudi Aramco are investing in this tech. Crazy fact: today's e-fuel production might cost more than petrol, but as tech scales, prices are expected to tumble. Why IT matters. So what's really exciting? Electric cars are growing, but billions of cars still use combustion engines worldwide. Future fuels can cut emissions asterisk without replacing every vehicle immediately. Hydrogen equals clean and quick refuel, but hard to store. Biofuel equals renewable but limited production. E-fuels equals carbon neutral and compatible with current cars, even classics. This means cars from 1990 to 2035 could still run cleaner in the decades ahead. The future of fuel isn't just one solution, it's a mix. Electric grids, hydrogen stations, bio-based fuels, and e-fuels made from sunshine and air. Which one will dominate? Some experts say multiple fuels will coexist depending on region and use. If you want more future car tech explained, from hydrogen supercars to electric hypercars, hit that like button and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, what fuel do you think will power cars in 2050? Watch next. Top future cars coming by 2030, e-fuel versus EV, the ultimate showdown.